Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your Sony headphones to the Endel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now click on the settings option, which is the second option. Now scroll down to the voice assistants and apps section and click on the connect Sony headphones button. And now you will be able to connect your headphones to this application if your Bluetooth option is turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.